Have you noticed a few things about your child that make you wonder, could they be autistic? Kids with autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, may begin to show developmental differences within a few months of being born, but many might not show symptoms until the age of 2. Autism is hard to spot in toddlers because autistic children often learn how to sit, crawl, and walk on time, the same way a neurotypical child would. There are a number of different symptoms that present themselves in many ways, but here are 4 things that you can keep an eye out for if you suspect that your 2-year-old has autism. Number 1, strong preferences. You might notice that your kid seems to know exactly what they like and who they like all at the same time. Maybe it's a parent who is more consistent both emotionally and with the schedule. Or maybe it's like a go-to snack, like chips, that you always have to be stocked up on. Number 2, no eye contact. Your toddler might make little or even no eye contact with whoever they're speaking to. They might also use little to no speech or gestures in their conversation. This might make conversation a bit more difficult. Number 3, meltdowns. Your kiddo might have intense bursts of anger and frustration that just can't seem to be controlled. This may happen because they tend to get overwhelmed by their environment. We call that sensory overload. Number 4, sensory sensitivity. Is your toddler overly sensitive or undersensitive to certain stimuli? This might look like running away from a loud noise, or the complete opposite of not reacting at all to loud noises. They experience sounds, light, and physical touch more or less intensely than most kids their age. These are just a few of the symptoms that you can look out for if you think your toddler may be autistic. It's important to remember that this isn't actually a diagnosis. Remember, the only people who can actually diagnose autism are medical professionals. Ask the pros. They know what's up. Want to learn about other symptoms of autism? Take our short quiz on our blog, link down below. Did you find this helpful? Drop us a like or a comment down below with what you found useful. Then send this to someone who you think should see this too. To watch more of this content, hit that subscribe button or head over to getgoalie.com to check out hundreds of blog posts, a suite of therapy apps, and even our very own tablet.